Hello guys, welcome back with me Ciao 2025. Today we're going to learn about 1. Open and advanced large scale video generative models. I think this is one of the better video model. The result I think is better than LTX. But the process also longer. To install this, you need to first access the GitHub page, link in video description. Then access the link to ComfyUI installation. To use this we need encoder and VAE. Just click and download each model that provided on the link here. For text encoders, save it on models/text encoders. For VAE, save it on models/VAE. Next we need video models. The diffusion models can be found here. The FP16 versions are recommended over the BEEF16 versions as they will give better results. Here is quality ranks, a highest to lowest FP16, B16 50/80 scaled, FP80 Format 3 Fenin. Here is the list of the model. Download what you want. Remember to have the text to video model and image to video model. These files go in ComfyUI/models/diffusion models. Next, download the workflow. For text to image, right click and download the workflow. Open the workflow. Select the model, VAE and text encoders. If you met this error, prompt outputs failed validation CLI bloater, a value not in list, type 1 not in or stable diffusion, a stable cascade, there's D3, stable audio, Mochiel, Texa, vPixar Cosmos, Luminat. It means your ComfyUI need to be updated. Just open Manager, click Update ComfyUI, and then restart it. Here are the results. The result is great, but it takes 3 hours to produce it. We try again, this time it takes 22 seconds, still more than 1 hour, but it is faster. Now let's try image to video workflow. Download the example workflow and load it into ComfyUI. Make sure to select image to video model. You also need ClipVision. Download it and put it on ComfyUI/models/ClipVision. Select ClipVision H in ClipVision. Here the first result. It really great. This the second result. The result also really great. I really like 2.1, but the process time is something that could be improved. I hope there will be a better model that are faster. For now, it is hardly useful for me since I can't wait that long to create a video with this. But for you who have better GPU, I think this can work wonder. Of course, there is a solution for this longer process, that is with Tcache. I will talk about Tcache for one in the next video. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.